some functional equations. If f of x is a function such that f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y, then we can write f of x as kx. Similarly, f of x plus y equal to, instead of plus, f of x into f of y. Instead of plus, we have into here. Then f of x can be written as exponential function k power x. K power x, because it is opposite of the logarithmic function. Observe, logarithm is f of xy equal to f of x plus f of y. So k into log x base a. Opposite of logarithm is exponential. So f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y becomes k power x. F of x plus f of 1 by x equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. Then f of x is 1 plus or minus x power n. F of x plus y plus f of x minus y equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. Then f of x can be written as k power x plus k power minus x by 2, or simply cos x. Next, f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y plus xy. Then f of x can be written as kx plus x squared by 2. All these we can prove using partial derivatives and integration. All these functional equations can be proved using differentiation partial derivatives and integration. If you know them, you can prove these. Presently, it was not completed, it will come in second year, so that's why I am writing just the equations. By heart these equations, then you can do sums easily. Pass. Now, let us discuss some sums given in JED. Page number 227 in our book, 14th sum. Let ABC belongs to R. If f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a plus b plus c equal to 3, and f of x comma x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y plus xy, where xy belongs to R, then sigma n equal to 1 to 10 f of n equal to how much is asking. Sigma n equal to 1 to 10 f of n is how much is asking. Given in JEE 2017. Given in JEE 2017. See how to solve. Very simple. Just first you need to identify what type of functional equation this is. Just now only we discussed functional equations. F of x plus y equal to, functional equation is f of x plus f of y plus xy is given. Then what is the functional equation I told? F of x equal to kx plus x square by 2. F of x equal to kx plus x square by 2 is the functional equation of this equation. Is giving f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y plus xy. Functional equation of this is f of x equal to kx plus x square by 2. Just now only we discussed it. We can prove using partial derivatives I told. No need of proof, we just do the sum. Now is giving f of x equal to kx plus x square by 2. I can find f of 1 from this. What is f of 1? K into 1 plus 1 square by 2 is nothing but k plus 1 by 2. But if you observe here, f of 1 equal to ax square plus bx plus c means, what is f of 1? But f of 1 equal to, in place of x if I substitute 1, the given equation becomes a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c. So a plus b plus c. This value is giving it as some a plus b plus c is 3. So he is giving f of 1 indirectly. Instead of directly giving f of 1 equal to 3, he is giving a plus b plus c equal to 3. A plus b plus c is nothing but f of 1. So f of 1 equal to 3 is given. If I substitute this in equation 1, substitute in 1, what do I get? So 3 equal to k plus 1 by 2. This implies k equal to 3 minus 1 by 2. So 3 minus 1 by 2 means this becomes 6 minus 1 by 2 becomes 5 by 2. So k equal to 5 by 2. K equal to 5 by 2. Now my equation becomes f of x equal to 5 by 2x plus x square by 2. plus. Okay, now my equation becomes f of x equal to kx. K just now you got it is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2x plus x square by 2. So this is f of x. Or f of n means, now what is f of n? Simply 5 by 2 n plus n square by 2. Now is asking sigma of this. Sigma n equal to 1 to 10. So sigma n equal to 1 to 10. F of n is asking. Is nothing but sigma n equal to 1 to 10. 5 by 2 n. If I write 5 by 2 outside, sigma n simply. Sum of n natural numbers. Similarly, if I write 1 by 2 outside, sigma n equal to 1 to 10 n square. So this is nothing but 5 by 2 into sum of n natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n is, you know that n into n plus 1 by 2. So 10 into 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. Plus sigma of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into means 10 into n plus 1, 11 into 2n plus 1, 2 into 10, 20 plus 1, 21 by 6. So becomes, I can cancel 5 times here and here also 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 3 7s are. So by simplifying, I will get 5 5s are 25 into 11. 25 into 11, 275 plus 35 into 11. 35 into 11, 385 by 2. So becomes 5 plus 5, 10, 6, next 6 by 2 becomes 330. So my answer is 330, option B. Is 330, option B. F is a mapping from R to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So the range is minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Domain is R. Defined as f of x equal to x by 1 plus x square is neither 1 1 nor onto. B invertible. C 1 1 but not onto. D onto but not 1 1. D onto but not 1 1. Given in JEE 2017. This is also given in JEE 2017. Same year. JEE 2017. One more question. F is a map. Previous question is also JEE 2017. This is also 2017. F is a mapping from R to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, defined as f of x equal to x by 1 plus x square. Is neither 1 1 nor onto, invertible, 1 1 but not onto but 1 1, but not 1 1. So which is the correct option is asking. Very simple sum, which we know that here this is x square, f of x equal to x by 1 plus x square. What is meant by the 1 1, what is meant by the onto? 1 1 means every element should be mapped to only one element. Is it mapping like that? We will check first. F of, for this what I told you, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R, means belongs to domain, such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. Like this we need to take. So simplify that. Becomes x1 by 1 plus x1 square equal to x2 by 1 plus x2 square. So if you simplify this, what do you get? x1 plus x1 into x2 square equal to x2 plus x2 into x1 square. Bringing all to one side becomes x1 minus x2 plus x1 x2 if I take common, or minus x1 x2 if I take common, this comes to this side minus. So becomes x1 minus x2 equal to 0. So x1 minus x2 into 1 minus x1 x2 equal to 0 implies either x1 equal to x2 or x1 x2 equal to 1 ante x1 equal to 1 by x2 means I am getting two solutions for x1. So x1 equal to x2 as well as x1 equal to 1 by x2, two solutions means not mapped to 1, therefore it is not 1 1, therefore it is not 1 1, not 1 1 because it is containing two solutions. One should be mapped to 1 only. Next, onto. How to prove that it is an onto? Very simple to prove it is an onto. We need to prove onto. If it is 1 1 and onto, then we can say 1 1 onto. First, but there is no such option. It is not 1 1 we got. Not 1 1 means it can be neither 1 1 or onto but not 1 1. So we don't know whether it is onto or not onto. If it is not onto, we can keep first answer. If it is onto, we can keep fourth option. So we need to check onto function whether it is an onto or not. For this, if you write the function like this, f of x equal to, if I bring x2 down, I can write 1 by x plus x. This x down, so 1 by x plus x square by x, I am writing it as x. Now I know the range of this using am gm. I can find the range of this using am and gm. So using am of 1 by x comma x, am is x plus 1 by x by 2. Arithmetic mean a plus b by 2 greater than or equal to geometric mean root of x into 1 by x. So if I bring 2 to that side, becomes x plus 1 by x greater than or equal to 2. If I write it in the fraction, because 1 by this I need. So if I am writing in the fractions 1 by x plus 1 by x, inequality will change, becomes 1 by 2. So this is less than 1 by 2. And if I take the same minus of minus, so this becomes minus 1 by 2. So becomes, the range is minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. So range of this function, or if I take LCM to x and to numerator, it will become a function only. So f of x range is minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Range equal to codomain, observe, range equal to codomain. Therefore, it is an onto function, but not 1 1. So our option is 4. So our option is 4. Onto but not 1 1. Very good. F of x plus 2 into f of 1 by x equal to 3x if x not equal to 0. And s is equal to x belongs to R such that f of x equal to f of minus x. Then s is equal to, then s is asking. Then s is equal to, contains exactly one element. So there will be only one element in s. Or option B, contains exactly two elements in s. C, contains more than two elements in s. D, empty set. D, empty set. So which is the correct answer is asking. So very simple, for these type of questions, you need to substitute something else for x. 1, 2 like that, or I am going to substitute in place of x 1 by x because I got 1 by x here. If I substitute 1 by x, so that those two will be get cancelled, I will get f of x. Follow this method for many of the sums it is useful. Let x equal to 1 by x. I am substituting in place of x, I am substituting 1 by x. Let x equal to 1 by x. Let x equal to 1 by x. If I substitute here, f of 1 by x plus 2 into f of x equal to 3 by x. Now, multiply this with 2. This into 2 if I am doing. So this becomes 2 into f of 1 by x plus 2 2 is 4 into f of x equal to 3 2 is 6 by x. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. If I solve these two, subtract 2 into f of 1 by x, 2 into f of 1 by x will get cancelled. Becomes f of x minus, so what I am doing is 1 minus 2, you can understand easily. Solving 1 and 2 means I am doing 1 minus 2. So f of x minus 4 into f of x becomes minus 3 into f of x equal to 3x minus 6 by x. 3x minus 6 by x. So I will take minus 3 common from that side. If I take minus 3 common, this becomes 2 by x minus x. So minus 3 cancels. my f of x now is 2 by x minus x. This is f of x. This is f of x. Now is giving f of x equal to minus f of x. Now I need to use this as such. Now f of x equal to f of minus x implies 2 by x minus x equal to, if I substitute minus x in this, minus 2 by x minus half minus plus x. Now bringing all to one side, or this to this side, that to that side, becomes 4 by x equal to x plus x 2x. So this x to that side, and I will cancel 2 times. So becomes x square equal to 2. So x equal to plus or minus root 2. X equal to, if I am taking square, I need to get root, means plus or minus root 2. So contains exactly 2 elements. Exactly 2 elements in S. So our answer is option B. The domain of the function f of x equal to 3 by 4 minus x square plus log of x cube minus x base 10 is option A 1 to 2, option B minus 1 to 0 union 1 to 2, C 2 to infinity, D minus 1 to 0 union 1 to 2 union 2 to infinity, given in some JEE 2005. Now the domain of the function is asking what is meant by the domain we discussed. The domain means the value of x for which the function is defined. Domain means value of the x for which the function is defined. So when do the function is defined? Denominator should not be 0. Means 4 minus x square not equal to 0. Then only the function is defined. First thing means x square is not equal to 4. X is not equal to plus or minus 2. X is not equal to plus or minus 2. First case. Next, second case. Coming to logarithm. Log is defined only for positive values. Log is defined only for positive values. Means x cube minus x greater than 0. Log 0 also not defined. Means x cube minus x greater than 0. If I take x common, this becomes x square minus 1 greater than 0. This implies x into, if I write this 1 as 1 square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b greater than 0. So you are getting 3 functions here, 3 factors here, x plus 1, x minus 1 greater than 0. So when is it possible? You can go for the wavy curve or table. So I am going for wavy curve. If this is 0, this is 1, this is 2 like this is minus 1, minus 2 like this. Now, what are the critical points here? X means x equal to 0 is one critical point. X plus 1 means minus 1 is one critical point. X minus 1 means x equal to 1 means 1 is another critical point. From these critical points, if you take x is on this side, so this becomes negative. This side of minus 1, and x is in between 0 to 1, minus 1 to 0, this is positive. Again 0 to 1, if you observe, this is negative, and more than 1, this is positive. So if you observe, he is saying this total value is greater than union 0 means above the x-axis, whose y coordinate is positive, means minus 1 to 0, this is positive, and 1 more than 1, this is positive. So it should be like this. X belongs to minus 1 to 0 union 0 to 1, sorry, 0 to 1 negative, but meaning positive. So 1 to infinity. This is the x value for this function to be defined. So whole function, this also to be included, means 2 should not be there. Common point of these two is 2 should not be there, it can be anything. So therefore domain equal to excluding 2. So minus 1 to 0 union, in 1 to infinity 2 also will be there, it should be excluded. So I am taking 1 to 2 open bracket, so 2 is excluded. Again 2 to infinity means 2 is excluded, all the values from 1 to infinity. So this is the final domain. So where is this? Option B. Option D is our final answer. So, f of x equal to log of x plus root of x square plus 1. An even function, an odd function, periodic function, neither even nor odd, given in JEE 2003. We know what is an even function, what is an odd function, what is a periodic function. Even function means f of x equal to f of minus x. Then it is called as even function. Odd function means f of minus x equal to minus f of x, odd. If both are not, neither even nor odd. Periodic means f of x plus t equal to f of x, then t is the period. We already discussed everything. Now we will go for whether it is three options depending on odd and even. So that's why I will go for odd and even first. So I need to find f of minus x. If it is giving me plus f of x, it has an even function. If it is giving you minus f of x, odd function. So I am finding f of minus x first. F of minus x means wherever x is there, I am substituting minus x. So log of minus x plus root of x square plus 1. This is what I am having. Minus x whole square plus x square only, that's why I wrote x square plus 1. Now if we go for the rationalizing this, because by 1 will be there, root is there, I am rationalizing. So x square plus 1 minus x into rationalizing means if it is minus I need to take plus. So I am taking x square plus 1 plus x by root of x square plus 1 plus x. So becomes log of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square means x square plus 1 minus x square by this becomes root of x square plus 1 plus x. So x square cancels. Now this becomes 1 by this. So log of 1 by x plus root of x square plus 1. So if I bring to numerator whole power minus 1, log of a power n is m log a. So I can write minus log of x plus root of x square plus 1 is nothing but f of x only, minus of. So becomes minus f of x. F of x equal to f of minus x equal to minus f of x I got. Means this is an odd function. This is an odd function, option B. This is an odd function. F of x minus y equal to f of x into f of y minus f of a minus x into f of a plus y, and f of 0 equal to 1. F of 0 equal to 1. Then is asking f of 2a minus x equal to how much? F of 2a minus x equal to how much? Now, there is no functional equation for this equation as we discussed. So we need to go for f of 0, f of 1 like that. So first of all, I will take x equal to y equal to 0. So that I will get f of a, because x is 0, y is 0. So left out will be f of a automatically. So I am taking x equal to y equal to 0. Then the given equation becomes 0 minus 0, 0 equal to f of 0 into f of 0 minus f of a minus 0, f of a into f of a plus 0 is f of a. Now this becomes f of 0 means 1 equal to f of 0, 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus f of a into f of a, f square of a. Now this f square of a to this side, 1 to that side becomes f square of a equal to 1 minus 1, 0 implies f of a is equal to 0. Now from the given data we got that f of a value is 0. Now we need f of 2a minus x. F of 2a minus x. Can I write f of 2a minus x as f of a minus of x minus a becomes a plus a, 2a minus x. So what I want to say is I am taking x as a and y as x minus a. Y as x minus a. So this is in the form of f of x minus y. So according to the given function, f of x minus y equal to f of x into f of y means f of a into f of a minus x minus a, f of a into f of x minus a minus f of a minus x. This is x, this is y. A minus x means a minus a. f of a minus a means f of 0 into f of a plus y. Y here is x minus a. So f of a plus y, a plus x minus a cancel, f of x. This is left out. So f of 2a minus x equal to f of a, how much I got? 0. 0 into anything 0. Minus f of 0, again 0 into anything 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Sorry. F of 0, f of a is 0. 0 into anything 0. F of a is, we got 0 from equation 1. So 0 into anything 0 minus f of 0, we gave it as 1, not 0. F of 0 is 1 into f of x, I don't know, I am writing it as f of x itself. So 1 into f of x, 0 minus of this becomes minus f of x. Becomes minus f of x. So minus f of x is the final answer. So my option is again 4. Minus